你好，我叫 Gary， 滑板老头，在 TikTok 上面。我滑板是一般般，可是我非常喜欢。来吧，跟我一起滑吧。
Hey, my name is Mark Hamilton. I've been skating about 50 years. Since I was a little kid in elementary school, we broke up some roller skates and put them on a blank board, and then went down to the roller rink and got the first skateboard with clay wheels on it. And you guys should try riding a clay wheel. Never done that before. Then I stopped and then just started again about 5 years ago. It's been great. This Garland Park is awesome. It's super fun. You should come out and check it out.
Matt Irwin, 51, government infiltrator. I skated in the 80s. The clown ramp down at Bachman Lake.
That's right.
And then I got out of it for like 30 years. Have a family, get married.
Yeah.
And then he got
And now I'm
good,
back.
Really good.
Now I'm back. Come on out.
Andrew Boyle, originally from California, live in McKinney. Let's see, 52 years old, skated a lot when I was a kid. Came back into it during COVID with my daughter, and absolutely enjoy it out every Saturday. Eu sou Andrés Boyle, tenho 52 anos de idade. Eu sou de McKinney, Texas, e eu comecei a fazer o skate quando eu tinha 13 anos e faz 3 anos que eu voltei. Adorei este esporte, é muito legal, bacana, mas para show, vamos lá, galera! É isso aí!
Bom dia! Obrigado.